So here's a surprise video. Uh, Hope you guys enjoy. A lot of people have sent in their best wishes. So here we go. Let's start.
साथियों नमस्कार। मुझे आप सबसे बात करने का मौका मिला और जितना लोगों से बात करते हैं हर बार नई नई चीजें जानने को मिलती है।
Okay, I was just kidding. The next one, we start. This is where people start wishing you.
Hello, good morning, and welcome. My dear viewers of Republic, I don't know what the nation wants to know today.
Even I don't know what the nation wants to know. I know how much these two personalities mean to you in your life. Alright, just kidding. So, here on, all the messages from your family and friends, please do enjoy. Hope it leaves you a little bit of teary eyed and, yeah, feel a little more blessed and loved.
Happy birthday, Bua and Daddy. Today I am going to play a song for both of you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bua and Daddy. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, Daddy and Bua. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Our best Daddy. Our best Bua. Keep shining. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to our sweetest mommy and sweetest sister Janu. Lots of love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Janu. Happy birthday, mommy. Have a great day and a year ahead.
Happy birthday.
And a flying kiss for your Boo and your Daddy.
Happy
Flying
birthday
kiss.
to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Janu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Janvi. Enjoy your day. Have a great year ahead. I wish your shopping list keeps on growing and growing and growing. Have fun. Happy birthday to the sweetest and most loving Lalita Mami. Wishing you the best of health always. Enjoy your day, have fun, have a great year ahead. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mommy. You're one of the most sweetest and caring person in the family. And I really admire, respect and love you for that. May your birthday be as incredible as you are. And Janu, happy birthday, my shopping partner. You're a beautiful person inside out. And I'm so glad that we share a special bond. May your birthday be as amazing as you are. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, Masi.
Lalita and Janvi. Lalita, thank you for all your support during my illness. Janvi, may all your dreams and wishes come true. Take care and enjoy your day, both of you.
Happy birthday, Janvi dear. Wishing you lots of happiness and joy in the coming years. May God bless you with everything wonderful in life. Have a great day and a wonderful year ahead. Sending you lots and lots of virtual love and virus-free hugs. Keep smiling always. God bless.
Hi Lalita, I know you for last 36 years. You are a wonderful person and blessing and inspiration to people around you. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, dear. Enjoy your day and year to come ahead. Love you. Janvi, but I know you from your childhood. You are a very bubbly girl and happy-go-lucky kind. Wish you a very happy birthday, dear, and lots of love and hugs from Neelam aunty.
Happy birthday, Masi and Janvi. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful birthday. Celebrate great and stay safe.
Sending you a lot of love, happiness, and luck from all of us here. And take care and happy birthday once again. Mwah.
Bye.
Hey Bua, very bana dadi, wish you both a very very happy and prosperous birthday. होप ये साल भी आप लोगों को खुशियों से भरा हो, मौज मस्तियों से भरा हो. जल्दी ही मिलते हैं. Stay safe and happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Janu and Taiji. Hope you guys are having a blast. We guys are missing you, and hopefully we get to celebrate together sometime soon. Hope you guys are partying it up all night. Woo-hoo! Happy birthday!
Hi Lalita. Hi Janu. Wish you both a very, very happy birthday. You guys have a wonderful day. Today is 9th October. So, once again, wish you a very happy birthday. Love you both. You both are my besties. Good to have you, Lalita, in our family. You're the best. And Janu, you're my princess. So I love you, both of you. I just came back from work, so I'm kind of tired. But never mind. Happy, 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 happy birthday. Bye.
Hi Masi, hi Janvi. I just wanted to pop by and say a happy birthday. I know this year has been everything we never hoped it would be. We had a couple of new chapters planned, but hopefully you've been able to spend the day, or we'll spend the day depending on when you see this, doing things that make your heart happy. You know, the little things like being surrounded by people you love, food, chocolate, all the good stuff. I don't have any wine, but I will toast to you with tea, because this is the best we can do in this household at this time. Here's to hoping that the next trip around the sun is bright enough to eclipse a year that will go down in the history books as one to remember, not for the best reasons. But yeah, happy birthday, and I hope you have a lot of puppy snuggles, because those are important too. You know, all little things.
Happy birthday.
Hello, it's that time कि जब मैं तेरे को याद दिलाऊं कि you become a buddhi or you are heading towards becoming a buddhi. Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. May you keep shining. Have a great day, and I should be able to annoy you more this year what I have done in the past. Take care.
Hey Janvi, a happy birthday to you and auntie. Have a lovely day and an amazing year ahead filled with loads of love, joy and laughter. Thank you for being an amazing friend to me and such an understanding person. You're one of the most amazing souls that I know, and I wish to see you soon, and happy birthday once again. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.
Hi Janu. So this video is to wish you a very happy birthday. Now, the other day I was actually trying to remember when was the first time we actually met. We were so young. The first memory I have is of both of us sitting together with some carpenter tools and just trying to nail, and you would hammer a nail into some wood. And all of my memories have always had you. All of my major life events have always had you. And I cannot imagine having you in them in the future ever. So I'm looking forward to the next 30 something years of us being friends and being together, and I'm looking forward to them. And I hope, and I really do hope, you have a great year, you have a great birthday, and you have lots of fun. So, love you. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie. We love you. Kisses. Lots of love. Lots of love. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Janu. Lots of love. We love you. Kisses. Lots of love. Happy birthday. And we will come soon to meet you. Take care. Lots of love.
Hi Janvi, wish you a very very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day and a year ahead. Let's meet soon. It's been really long. And thanks for always being there.
Happy birthday, Janvi. I hope you have a very good day. And although I've not met you, but I really feel happy even while talking to you. And I'm really happy that you'll be a part of our family. So happy birthday once again. And I love you a lot. A little less than my brother. That's all.
Happy birthday, Auntie and Janu.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Janu. Wishing you loads of love, luck, happiness, and good health. First of all, I want to thank you for being such an amazing sister. I have never ever felt that I needed to have a younger sibling since the time we got connected, and you've really taken the place of being a younger sibling in my life. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I always have good wishes for you, and you're a lovely person, and you've always been there for me through my thick and thin. You have always put a smile to my face, and I really love that about you. I really love the fact that you're very peppy, chirpy, and that you keep encouraging me to do a lot of things, even though it is losing weight at times. But the only thing that sometimes I get very bugged with you is because you take Chirag's side all the time. But don't worry, you're getting married soon to Kunal, and after that I'm only going to take Kunal's side, so it's going to be SNK together. But anyway, I'm going to be nice to you for 24 hours. So happy birthday once again, and just live your dream. Okay? Love you. Bye.
I hope these messages got a smile on your face, and yeah, many happy returns of the day, and yeah, I'll be there partying with you, don't worry. I'll just be there in some time.